let's model this here. Control and here. So let's go ahead and drop our first mesh here. And as I mentioned, we have to apply the simple deform to get that procedure symmetry done with the 360 degrees on the axis. I'm going to be going and applying our array modifier. And let's go and drag that down here as always. Now we're going to go ahead and give that 16 side. Let's go to top view now. And we're going to go ahead and grab these faces here. Let's apply one subdivision here and a couple of them here. So I'm going to give that bubble here. And now we're going to go ahead and add one more here. Bubble that here. And as well two here. So let's go and grab this piece here. Loop the circle here. And we're going to go ahead and decrease the size a little bit more here. So let's keep that pretty simple now. I'm going to go ahead and insert, and we're going to go ahead and press E from your keyboard to extrude that negative extrude. So well, the next step is to support these here. So I'll go ahead add two subdivisions here on the left hand or on the circle here, and we're going to go ahead and top view with once more. I'm going to go ahead and delete these faces here. We're going to select these here and apply the grid fill by pressing Ctrl and F and choosing the grid fill option here. Let's go ahead and tweak that parameter here, the offset. Now we're going to keep it pretty simple. To that point should be enough here. We're going to insert that part as well by pressing I from our keyboard. And now let's go ahead and poke these faces here. And we should be good to go. So before applying subdivision surface, we'll make sure that we have these here extruded slightly. And now we're going to go ahead and apply the modifier or collapse them in a way that we are selecting the vertex mode. And let's press M to move by distance. Keep the default threshold on the object. So move by distance and the default threshold. Or let's increase that to 0.2 for example. And we're going to go ahead and apply the subdivision. So without being done, let's go ahead and grab these face mode here, pressing A, right click and shader smooth. Let's wait a little bit for that option here. And let's complete that model as I mentioned. We're going to go ahead and extrude that up here, pressing G and Z on Z axis. Now that's fine here. We're Control F again, grid fill. And now let's keep that pretty simple here. We're gonna add two support loops here. And as well one here. We're gonna press S to scale that object or the loop here down. And we're gonna grab these here. And yeah, we'll extrude them on the axis. So let me just go ahead and select that tool here and move that a little bit down. And now we'll apply subdivision surface and congratulations, we have pretty smooth object now. Now let's go ahead and apply the shader smooth, and that's the piece here. So by the way, I'm using this method here always to create a kind of car pieces or engine pieces. Like let's see that we need to create an engine. So this is the method that I'm using always to create a kind of engines or tires, or it's kind of dynamic objects here. So yeah, that was everything about these tips here for today's lesson. We're gonna see you next time. Now take care.